All right, guys, so we just did a walk around the car and you guys see how dusty and dirty that is. But at the same time, what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna show you how to easily maintain the actual ceramic coating. So what I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna be using the actual R1 waterless wash. The great thing about the waterless wash is as soon as I spray this on here, the actual waterless wash is gonna encapsulate all those little dust particles that are on there. And just for instructional purposes, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use a yellow towel so you can actually see the dirt lifting off of there. So let's go ahead and spray it on there and let's see what it looks like. As you see, there's some bud guts and there's a little bit of tree sap right there, just to show you again, see how it just flicks right off, okay? So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the waterless wash and I'm gonna spray it on here, okay? What I wanna do is I wanna give it a couple seconds, let the actual waterless wash lift up the dirt and encapsulate. As you see, it's already beating up as I spray it on here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab my microfiber towel, and as you see, it just wiped everything off. You see, the bug gut just came right off. And then just to show you, you can actually see the dirt right there. Now that I wiped off all the dirt, what I wanna do is either grab a fresh towel or you could just make sure you flip the towel over. And what I wanna do is I just wanna lightly remove all the excess waterless wash. And as you see, it actually leaves it really clean. So just to show you, there's no more dirt on there. So now you saw the power of the waterless wash. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the car and then we'll come back to one more step and this car is gonna look amazing. I'm gonna swipe. All right, guys, so I already went ahead and removed all the contaminants on there. If you guys look at the towel, it is pretty saturated with all the dirt and dust that's on there. The great thing about it is now the paint is clean. What I wanna do now is I wanna come back with a maintenance, which is R1 Revive. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna leave a layer of protection and at the same time, it's gonna bring that shine right back. So let's go ahead and do it and go from there. Now, a couple ways you can do this is very simple, guys. What you can do is you can either spray the microfiber towel, give it a couple sprays, and you can actually rub that on there. That way you're not getting a lot of overspray like on the windows or getting reviving the actual crevices. Or what you can do is you can actually just spray the surface with a light spray and then come back and buff the rest of it. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the car and let's see what it looks like after. All right, guys, so check out the results. As you see, the car looks amazing. It looked amazing earlier with the actual dirt that's on there, but now that we went ahead and did the waterless wash and we came back with the Revive, it looks like we just ceramic coated it for the first time, guys. So once again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to our series. Once again, this is Ruben from rightlook.com. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you guys soon.